very important point about the that there are some bullet points in the arrow: black, red, yellow, and green. What it indicates? It indicates the signal of Allah. How do you always observe this signal? Allah will not speak to you. Allah will send certain message to you, the environment. Through that message, you have to understand the signal. I'll explain you here. When suddenly it rains, it's thunderstorm and it's lightning, it's lot of chaos or accident or anything. Fear Allah. Black is the fear Allah. Black point indicates. When this thing happens, you fear Allah. Okay? And sudden any kind of eventuality, fear Allah. And the red stand for stop. Suppose you want to go out and suddenly it's raining, storm and lightning, it's a very lot of obstructions, so then stop. What is this? Suppose you want to go something, you just had a bump or something and something happened, then stop it. You want to go somewhere, then the car is not starting. Okay, so then think about it. Maybe Allah wants you to stop. Tire is punctured or sudden obstruction comes, that then means you stop. So the stop signal is the red. But sometimes remember one thing, Satan also gets some environment obstruction. Satan is very smart creating the obstruction. So that so you have to think whether the obstruction is from Satan or obstruction is from Allah. So red is signal that stop. Allah will send certain message, then you stop. So once I went to a hospital, and heart hospital, they just don't bother. I took a heart patient over there, and he was having literally angina pain. So please don't bother. This reception is empty. It's all awkward situations. Then I said, oh, this is the signal from Allah. Don't go to this hospital. So I changed it. I went to another hospital. So the signal indicates if heart hospital is not smart enough to deal their people, the patients, they're careless, that means you're wasting time. So it's not a right place to go. So this is the red. So red signal you have to understand. And the yellow is you have to look. Many decisions you have to take, look, think and go. Don't do it anything in instant because of the yellow. No, you have to think and go. And the green one is a quick, go ahead. So you cannot delay it. There's somebody is sick, you have to take to the hospital. Don't delay it. So there are many issues, don't delay it. The prayer time has come, don't delay. Do it. So green signal is a good signal. Suppose you feel everything is very nice, very good, and the heart is also accepting it, alhamdulillah, things are good, so it's a green signal. So throughout your life you have to remember this four signal. Never forget this. This is a very important because it's all Allah's message comes. Allah's message is already written in Quran and Sunnah. It's fine. But sometimes we don't know about it. We don't have that much of knowledge of Quran and Sunnah. We make a mistake. So then Allah Ta'ala, if Allah wants to guide you, He will create something. Through that thing, you have to understand the signal. So Allah will not speak to you. You have to understand the signal. In religious affairs, I'll tell you, suppose you want to get married your daughter to somewhere and you went their house and that you offered them maybe the son or any father, you offer them a jam. He said, no, just leave it. That means they are not religious people. So through that signal you have to understand why it is like that. Why it is like that? So you have to understand the signal. There are many ways to understand the signal. You have to understand the signal from Allah, what Allah wants to tell you. So Allah will send some definite message. Like istikhara is the biggest message, and apart from that, and so istikhara, that is where one has to do it repeatedly again and again to clear the clouds, the concept. So this is a very important to be here is the for visionary people, those who have Allah has given them firasat, so the vision, so they can smell things. So many top mashayikh I've seen this. So this is they have the vision. They can uncover many secrets. So try to become a visionary man.